Well, welcome back to some more Lad's Garage. We are actually out at my buddy J Med's Bricks Clicks house. The Scoutmaster for our local troop. See, Boy Scouts 403. We're actually picking up another trailer. This is actually for our girls BSA troop, the 573 girls. And well, looks like we're going to have some work to do on this one. I already had to rig the wiring up on it to have blinkers on the way home, so hang on, we're going to get into this one. What, Daniel? Is yuck?
Yeah.
Well, guys, let's do a quick walk around. First off, it could definitely use a good bath. First thing probably get replaced is this jack, because that's all. It's been dragged around once or twice, hasn't it, Daniel? Hey, is that jack bent?
Yeah,
Another thing, the wiring. That crap is dry, rotted, cracked, and plugs all goofy. So I need to do a little patchwork on it. Definitely for sure it needs a bath. Probably some touch-up paint. Lights. That's another thing I've seen. Wiring lights probably be the two biggest things, fixing that jack at the moment. I don't like pulling things that don't have lights working. That one's missing completely. Definitely use a bath. Fenders are in decent shape. Trimming and stuff, like I said, some of this stuff has been up. It's been around a few years, I can tell you that. It definitely needs an interior cleaning. We don't know what all's in here. Probably going to do some different things with the shelves, for sure. Really, a lot of it comes down to what the boss lady wants, because technically this is her setup. Probably need some new wood back here. Floor is looking a little rotted. Who is that?
Nah.
Who's that? You got Mac?
Yeah.
Where? That your favorite? You got Mac?
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna go ahead and get started on this project with replacing this old bent up jack. Unfortunately, whenever they bent it, kind of lift this up a little bit right there. I was gonna try to hook a strap down around and back to town again and pull on it, but weld's cracked. That don't do me no good. We've already got a couple of the bolts out, but that's where we're starting at. We're going to go get the old Sledge-O-Matic to knock that back kind of flat. So I guess we're going to keep chugging away here and see if we can't get the jack replaced. Now that the jack is off, kind of looks like it's been dragged down the road a few times. Oh man, you kind of see the severity of the bubbling up there. We'll get a hammer and see if we can't straighten that out before we put the new jack in, because with it like that, it's just gonna keep the new jack, doing that same old lean. So see if we can't straighten it up a little bit. Let's see if we can't start with this little guy to straighten this sucker out. I just hate to mess up perfectly good wiring, so I moved the wiring out of the way. Bust this old lock off right here. I don't know. Let's give her a whirl. Hit it on both sides, see if we can get a little bit better. looks a lot better already. There you go. That's nice and flat across there already. It's still a little wavy, but I don't know how we're going to fix that exactly, but I can't really get up underneath there because you can see there's more crap in the way, so I don't know, we might set the new jack on there and see how it looks. It's ain't nothing fancy. Just went to Rural King, bought one of their jacks they got. They don't take much. It ain't like we're trying to lift up the equipment trailer with, you know, a tractor on it or anything. We're just trying to keep the front of the trailer stabilized when they drop it. A little bit of a tight squeeze, so gonna do a little corrosive. Come on, guys, get in there. It's like Michael Jackson. I think Michael Jackson was a mechanic, tell you the truth. You know, his one song, you know, just beat it. Well, tell you the truth, being mechanicking, he had a lot of stuff with hammers. There we go. We can work with that, I think. I guess I ought to go see if I got some fresh 3/8 bolts in the shop. Come over here to my 3/8 bolt selection. Let's see, 2, 3. They're longer than what's on there, but it'll be okay, guys, I promise you. Get some washers. 3 3/8 washers. I got any lock washers? That's the question. Heck yeah, I don't think I do. Go over the other side. Just seems like nothing gets done over there. These 3/8. Alright, we got 3 3/8 bolts, 3 3/8 washers, and 3 3/8 lock washers. That ought to be enough to get the job done. Doing, Susie? Huh? You doing, dog? I didn't call you over here. I ain't got no biscuits. See, that's how dogs do me. We're gonna get these started in here with a wrench to make sure we don't strip them out. Just get them started. Seems good enough. A couple of these just didn't want to twist in there finger wise. You know what I mean? Like this one here, it's so tight still. So we get them all the way through, we can crank them in with the ooga dooga 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 dooga. There we go with 23.5 miles of extension, because I hate swivels. I really do. There we go. Yep, handle's in the way. Flip that out of the way. There we go. Just like that. That sucker's on there. That ain't going nowhere. I already told you. Look at that. That actually works. I think. I hope. Yeah, the other one was a piece of junk. One thing that does not come with the jack, right there, you're missing a seam shoe. Sold separately on the box, it says. So, here we go. Jack seam shoe. Some people want a wheel on there. I don't like wheels. That just creates more problems. Let's get a regular seam shoe, throw it on there, call it good. Just double check, make sure this thing's gonna lift up off the truck. Because I don't think the other one would have. It might have, but that sucker was popping and grabbing and everything else when we was trying to put it down on the truck. Oh yeah, like butter. Like butter, yeah. Coming right up. That's how we like it. I'll throw a little board down just so we ain't sitting out here for 35 minutes trying to raise this thing up. Now we're looking there. Oh yeah, didn't even stress it none. Heck yeah. Susie, you gonna do anything today? Nope. Hey squirrel. Where'd that squirrel go? There he is, sucker. I ought to bust out the 410. Get some of the little fat suckers around here. Oh, a squirrel this size of a small chihuahua. My trusty hunting dog. Look. Only thing they know how to hunt's the food bowl. I think we ought to lube up the old door hinges. How about it? We got any oil in this thing? There we go. How about that? Thing's got more squirting juice than a Kawasaki pressure washer, I'm telling you. Susie! Oh man, I'm telling you, dogs. Can't live with them and can't live without them. Went ahead and made some wheel chalks out of some old 4x4s I got laying around. Because the last thing you want to do is go rolling down a hill in the back of your pickup truck. No idea how long this box of rope and whatever else has been in that trailer, but that's a pretty good sized mouse nest. Mouse confetti. Yay! Nope. That's no rope.